Hey everyone, welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can log into your Zoom account. So before we move forward, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also hit the bell button so you get notified for our future videos. Now firstly, in the search bar, type in zoom.us and then you'll land up on the official website of Zoom. To log into your account, you can click on sign in, or if you want to join any conference anonymously, you can join it. From here, you will not need to sign up to Zoom. You can simply enter in the meeting ID or you can enter in the link. Now to log in, you can click on the sign in option and then enter in your email address. If you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot password. From here, you'll be able to create a new password. If you do remember your password, you can type it in. You can check this box if you want to stay signed in, even if you close up the tab. And next time, you won't need to enter in your details. You can sign up using any of these options. If you created your account using any of these options, then you can simply click on these and you will be automatically logged in. Now after you fill in both these information, you can click on sign in. So that's how you can log into your Zoom account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and we will be back with more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.